I wanted to make a video about the duck refillable dispenser. This is it right here. And also their packing tape. I recommend both of them. Scotch brand is real good. I say this is right under Scotch brand, but this is cheaper than Scotch brand, and I think it is good quality. So you should think about using this if you guys do a lot of shipping. Okay, so what happened was I just ran out of tape right now, right? So I'm gonna be shipping this box out, so I wanted to tape it up. So I ran out of tape, but the cool thing about this dispenser is it's reusable. Okay, all you have to do is open it up, pull open, you take this off, okay, and this goes in the trash. And then, so this is the actual dispenser that we're gonna be using, and then I'm gonna be refilling it with this packing tape. So this one is a 55 yards. This is standard grade, but standard grade is very strong and it's not gonna rip at all. I use this all the time for packing. We're gonna peel this. We're gonna cut this little piece off. Okay. And then to replace it, all we have to do is open it up like so. We're gonna place it inside. We're gonna close it up once it's nice and just like that, okay? And then this, you're gonna put on this side. So what I love about this is you don't have to sit there fishing and looking for the roll of tape every time, because it holds a spot for you right here. So I love the fact that it does this, because it saves a lot of time instead of looking for it, coming out, coming over here, using the scissors, coming back. So it has the blades right here, so it's gonna cut. So I'm gonna show you guys. I already put 2 pieces on there, and that's when it ran out. So this is me putting another piece on here, okay, just like that. This is where you want to stop it at, okay? So I'm gonna roll it. Okay, it's good right there. So I'm gonna hold this down, and all I have to do is twist, and it just cuts the tape like that. And then I'm gonna push the tape down, and then just like that, it is ready to go. And you guys could see it's ready for me to pull out the next tape and then get the next piece of tape on here. So like I said, I definitely recommend the brand. I definitely recommend this dispenser, because with this dispenser, I save a lot of time not having to dig around looking for the tape. So I definitely recommend this.